Kavita Sugar and Spice. Today I'm here with a special recipe for kids, potato smiley. Every kid loves this as a snack, so let me show you how to make this very easily at home. Let's start with 4 medium-sized potatoes. I'm going to wash it and cook it until it's nice and soft. I'm adding a pinch of salt into this boiling water. Once it's cooked, let's peel it and we need to mash it. Next, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch and 1/4 teaspoon each of black pepper powder, chili powder, onion powder and garlic powder. Remember, everything is 1/4 teaspoon each. Then we are going to add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and salt to taste. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. After that, we are going to mix this well. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil into this mixture. You can add more cornstarch or oil as required until you get a nice soft dough. At the same time, it should be stiff. Now our soft dough is ready here. I'm going to cover and keep it in the refrigerator for half an hour. Now it's more than half an hour. Let me take the dough and roll it and start making our potato smiley. So I'm going to flatten it with my palm, and to get a nice leveled surface, I'm going to use a plate. Press it down firmly so you get a nice flat top. Next, we need to apply little bit of oil on top of this dough, and then I'm going to use a cookie cutter to make few round shapes so we can make our different kind of faces. This is the thickness that we need. If you want to make bigger faces, you can do that. Next, I'm going to use a drinking straw to make the eyes for the potato faces. Gently give it a press and swirl it like this for eyes. Then you can use a regular spoon with a curved tip and just press it gently, and we have a smiley face. In order to make a screaming face, use the straw, make 2 eyes, and then use a tiny little cookie cutter and make a small hole, and then you have a screaming face ready. Again, to make a sad potato, which is totally optional, I'm just doing it for a variety. So make 2 eyes with the straw and hold the spoon the other way and give it a gentle press, and you have the sad face ready. Next, heat some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, reduce it to a medium flame and start frying the potatoes. Make sure your stove is not in a low flame. There is a possibility these potatoes might break. So you don't have to worry about if it's perfectly cooked or not, because remember, the potatoes were already cooked. So once it's nice and golden brown on one side, flip it to the other side. So as soon as it's nice and golden color on both sides, remove it from the oil and you can serve it with ketchup or by itself. It'll be a great snack for kids. Please do try it. So my potato smileys are ready here. Let me transfer it into a plate. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Until we see each other through my next video, take care. Bye-bye.